trap everybody in this and let them go and run. And no sight that I'm still need to get some more throwing as well, I say.
Yeah. So this is a filter.
Yeah. That's the homemade one though, you know.
Homemade water filter.
Yeah, so it's actually a simple procedure. We'll have to go and do a next thing where we pull it up so them can see it.
Oh, you make it and all
that.
that.
Really work.
Yeah.
But it's as simple as a little motor, you know. Forgot how them call them motor there. I realize that I look at it to feel new, you know. But I never throw on the pump. Don't throw on the pump so them only know. Throwing them boy with them there. And everybody go on.
Yeah.
You see what I say? So I see how big I can get them boy. I had them there reach eating size just right now.
Big enough. The camera make them look small but decent size.
Yeah, let me a couple more months and I'm ready, you see?
And the one is small compared to the one that was already
there,
inside.
Yeah.
So
You see? Yeah, them a past finger length size.
yeah. Decent size so far.
That's the man. Wow.
A bigger one that's around.
Fish everything ready for heat. One of the smallest one.
Smallest one I go and send it.
Alright, so the baby out there, all of them.
Smallest one that's so far.
That's the baby out of her. Comparing to the one, huh? So the baby just gone in.
Drop in. I'm happy in this man, I have way more space.
So from a Jaguar now, it's a different video that.
Different video, but we can show them where you feed them.
Yeah. Yeah.
We'll show them where them get feed now too. So them here are the food.
I'm gonna need to get more. Cause production are running right now. Probably tomorrow now we're getting some more. I'll get some more. Bring up the water in this. Put some water lily in it. And them supposed to start breathing. Alright. One big job. No, okay.